In this video, we'll demonstrate how to change the language in Google Chrome. But before we dive into the tutorial, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to customize your Chrome browser. And please share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. Open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots to open the menu. Scroll down to the Settings option and click on it. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Languages option, represented by a world icon. In the Languages menu, you'll see a list of languages. To change your language, click on the downward arrow next to the current language. Look for your desired language in the list. If you can't find it, click on the Add Languages. Search for your preferred language and select it. Click Add to include it in your language options. Once you've added your preferred language, go back to the list and click on the three vertical dots next to your chosen language. Select Display Google Chrome in this language from the options provided. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications turned on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this. For additional tutorials and resources, visit MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching.